In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all your Canva uploads and designs. We'll start right from the Canva home screen, also known as your main dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you want to export from, especially if you use multiple accounts for work and personal projects. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile icon there. Click it to open your account menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the area where all your account controls live. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Log In. This is where Canva groups options related to your account access and data. In that section, you'll see a button called Request to Download. Go ahead and click that. If Canva asks you to confirm, hit Request to Download again. That's all you need to do to start the export. Here's what happens next. Canva will prepare a copy of your content, your uploads, and your designs, so you can download everything in one go. Because this can involve a lot of files, it may take some time. The larger your library, the longer the preparation. When it's ready, Canva typically notifies you and provides a link so you can grab the package. The download often comes as a compressed zip file, which keeps everything organized and makes the transfer faster. A couple of helpful tips while you wait. Keep an eye on your notifications and the email associated with your Canva account in case the link is delivered there. When you do download, make sure you have enough storage space on your computer or external drive, as creative assets can add up quickly. After you unzip the file, consider naming folders clearly so you can find logos, photos, and finished designs later without digging. If you work in shared spaces, keep in mind that the export generally includes items tied to your account. Content owned by other team members may not be included in your package. Also, treat the exported files carefully, especially if they contain client work or brand materials. Store them securely and back them up if needed. That's the whole process. From the main dashboard, open your profile at the bottom left, go into Settings, head to the Login section, click Request to download, confirm, and let Canva prepare your archive. Once your link arrives, you'll have a complete, convenient copy of your uploads and designs ready to save and organize. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your creative work safely backed up.